Hi, welcome to another video from the Doc R YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a question on fractions. Solve the equation 2x over 4 minus 3x plus 4 equals to 1 over 3x minus 4. Looking closer at this equation, you can see that it has a fraction add with a whole number equals to another fraction. There are many ways to solve this, and today what we're going to do is we're going to bring all the fraction to one side and bring the whole number to the other side. So now we can observe that both the fractions denominators are quite similar except for a sign change. We know that a plus multiplied by a negative will give us a negative. So what we're going to do is the negative sign, we're going to convert it to a plus sign and subsequently compensate by putting another negative sign for the second fraction. When we do that and we expand the negative sign that we just introduced, we will see that the negative 3x minus 4 will now become 4 minus 3x, which brings us to observe that both the denominators are now the same. Another fraction rule is when we have fractions where the denominators are the same, we can easily add or subtract the numerators. So that is what we're going to do now. So the denominators are both 4 minus 3x. So what we get is 2x plus 1 or 4 minus 3x equals to minus 4. When we have one fraction to be equal to another fraction, we can also do a cross multiplication. How do I apply this now? We can see that we have a fraction on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have a whole number. And a whole number is nothing more than a number divided by 1. So right now we can go on to do the cross multiplication. And once we do that, we can see that we no longer have to deal with fractions, and that simplifies our subsequent steps, which is to bring all the unknown variables to one side and whole numbers to the other side. Simplifying further, you get 17 equals to 10x. Personally, I prefer to keep my unknown variables to the left hand side of the equation and everything else to the right hand side of the equation, and that gives me x to be equals to 17 over 10. And making it a proper fraction, you get x equals to 1 and 7 over 10. So that is the process to solve this equation. Thank you.